us.
York Harbour is a small community located on the west coast of Newfoundland, specifically within the Bay of Islands region. It is situated along the shores of the Bay of Islands, a picturesque inlet known for its rugged coastline and scenic beauty. The area is surrounded by forested hillsides and is characterized by its natural landscapes. Like many communities in Newfoundland and Labrador, York Harbour offers a variety of outdoor recreational opportunities. Residents and visitors can enjoy activities such as hiking, camping, fishing, boating, and wildlife watching. The nearby Blow Me Down Provincial Park provides access to hiking trails and stunning viewpoints. Fishing has historically been an important industry in York Harbour and the surrounding area. The waters of the Bay of Islands are rich in fish, including species such as cod, salmon, trout, and shellfish.
Thank you very much.
Fishing remains an integral part of the local economy and culture, with many residents continuing to work in the industry. The landscapes around York Harbour are known for their natural beauty. Visitors can expect breathtaking views of the coastline, with rocky cliffs, sheltered coves, and pristine beaches. The area is particularly stunning during the fall when the foliage transforms into vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. Tourism plays a significant role in the economy of York Harbour and the Bay of Islands region. Visitors come from near and far to explore the area's natural beauty, outdoor attractions, and cultural heritage. Overall, York Harbour is a picturesque coastal community that offers visitors a chance to experience the beauty of Newfoundland's west coast and immerse themselves in its rich maritime heritage. Whether you're interested in outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, or simply enjoying the tranquility of coastal living, York Harbour has something to offer. Copper Mine Falls is a hidden gem tucked away in the picturesque York Harbour, nestled within the breathtaking Bay of Islands region in western Newfoundland. Getting to this natural wonder is easy. Just a short 5-minute walk from a convenient parking lot off Route 450, and you'll find yourself surrounded by nature's beauty.